Hello and good afternoon, friends. Today I want to talk to you about what happens when my septic tank is full. What do I do? Let's get into it. So this is a question that I get quite often, right? What do I do when my septic system is full, and how do I know if it's full? The simplest solution is to measure it, right? Well, we can't all do that now, can we? Well, that's where you'd be wrong. You can actually purchase a thing called a sludge judge to measure and see how full that tank is. Now, they're about 140 bucks, maybe 160 depending on what you go with. You can get the cheaper ones, but the cheaper ones don't really work that well, so I wouldn't necessarily recommend it. But that's not something that everybody can do. So let's go ahead and work our way through this logically, right? So what is a septic tank? We've already covered this previously. Giant box. You guys have been listening for a long time, so you already know how this works. Big concrete box. Sometimes they're plastic, sometimes they're other things, but big concrete box where when you flush a toilet, run a sink, bathtub, you name it, all that good stuff goes into the tank. Heavy stuff falls at the bottom, lighter stuff goes at the top, liquid in the middle, right? Well, over time, just by normal usage, the solids are going to build up faster and faster and faster, and eventually it's time to pump it out. You will hear that people say you don't need to pump your tank. They're wrong, right? There's far more evidence and far more research that's been done to prove that yes, a septic system needs to be pumped regularly. Now, generally, most of these research studies will say that you should pump between 2 and 5 years, depending on the occupancy, usage, diet, health, etc., all that good stuff, right? So when a septic system is full, right, that means that the solids have risen up enough to where as you introduce water into the tank, the water will actually carry solids from the tank and into the absorption system. At that point, that's what we refer to as biomat, biologic material. That material will work its way out of the tank if you're not pumping enough, and what will happen is it will get into your drain field and it'll act like a tar. It's really, really sticky. And what will happen is it'll line up the inside of that trench and it won't let the water escape into the surrounding soil. And over time, what will happen is more and more of that biomat will build up, and then your trench is going to get oversaturated and eventually fail. A failure in a trench is not very fun, right? It's very expensive and it's time consuming. So when a drain field fails, what will happen is you got to back up, or sometimes in some circumstances, you'll get a surface, right? If it's surfacing or if it's backing up, you run the risk of having sewage in your house or health complications. If you're walking around in your yard, you get it on your hands, you touch your face, all that good stuff, especially if you have small children. You don't want them playing in that sewage. It's not a good time, right? So if you're running into this question of how full is full, the general rule of thumb that we use is 30%, right? So when you're measuring a tank, you're gonna have a certain liquid depth. In our area, it's usually between 4 to 6 feet of total volume of water in the tank. Most commonly, you'll see 4 foot, but every now and again, you'll get one that's a little bit bigger. So if you have, for example, a 60-inch total water depth, so 5 feet, once you get to about 18 inches, now you're in that 30% threshold and it's time to pump the tank. And the reason why is as that tank fills, you're going to have more and more debris working its way out. The baffle in the back of the tank only goes down about 18 inches. Sometimes a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less, depends on who built the tank, the codes, all that good stuff. Your area might be a little bit different from my area. Usually it's about 18 inches, right? So you've got a third of your tank, so again, 60 inches. If you got 20 inches on the bottom and you lost 18 inches from the top, you're really only working with a little bit of space in the middle, right? So if you start going to 30 inches of solids in the bottom of that tank, now more and more of that debris can work its way into the absorption system. So the only way to measure is to use a stick, right? Sludge judge to measure to see how full it is. That's why most people go by time. If you pump out the tank, you will remove all of those solids and it basically resets. Now, you might also be thinking, well, I didn't ask about the solids, I'm asking about the liquid level. So if you're trying to figure out how to tell if your septic tank is full, you got to think about where's that water level supposed to be and what is your definition of full, right? So if we have a septic tank, right, you're going to have your box, you're going to have an inlet line and you're going to have an outlet line. The inlet line should always be higher than the outlet line, right? Because it's gravity fed. If you don't have that working that way, you're going to run into some problems. So the inlet line should be higher, right? So the water level should never be touching it. But the outlet line, where the water level should always be, because there should be a seal between the tank and the outlet line, right? If you don't have a seal, you might have a problem. But if you have the outlet line, the water should always be at the bottom of that pipe. We call that the invert of the outlet, right? That's the normal operating correct liquid level in a septic tank. If the water level is above that point, you have a couple different potential issues that might be going on. You might have an issue with the pitch of the pipe. Let's just say somebody installed it, they didn't put any kind of filler underneath of the pipe, you backfill it, and all that weight kind of makes the pipe go whoop, and now you got a giant little cockeyed pipe, and that raises the water level in the tank. Easy enough fix, but it can confuse you. If the water level gets even higher, let's just say that it goes to the ceiling of the tank, now your tank's backing up. It's not full, it's having a problem, right? So you gotta think about where the water level's at. If the water level's touching the ceiling or touching the inlet pipe, right, that is gonna be where the water is not draining out of the tank correctly. Could be a clog, collapse, could be a failure in the drain field, could be a variety of issues that are going on to cause that water level to rise. So if we're using the term full to describe a backup, that's going to be any time that the water level rises in the outlet line, or if you want to get really technical with it, it's going to be if the water level touches the inlet in the absorption system, right? So for example, if you have a pit, a seepage pit, basically as soon as that water touches the inlet line into the seepage pit, you've backed up, right? If you have a distribution box, if the water level rises up and touches the inlet line in the distribution box, you probably have a backup, right? I say probably because, again, remember how I talked about the pitch of the pipe? If you have a poor installation or a bad backfill, you could inadvertently pitch the pipe up a little bit, and that can cause some headaches. So you gotta be a little bit more careful in distribution boxes, but it's far more easy to tell in a seepage pit. So if it's backing up, you have bigger problems to worry about, and you need to get that addressed, right? Generally, that would involve some level of excavation and some kind of diagnostic to figure out why the water's not draining correctly. Generally, when most people say full, they're referring to solids, and I hope that's what you're referring to. And I'd be very curious below. Leave a comment. Tell me, how often are you pumping your tank? I'm very curious about it. I keep hearing a lot of people that say they want to do it every 6 months, so they do it every 10 years, never have to do it. I'm curious to see what kind of guidance you guys have been given, and I think this is a good opportunity for everybody to learn. Like I said, all of the research and the guidance I've received from my state, our health departments, all of the universities, at least in the Northeast, they all say you want to get it done every 2 to 5 years, right? They have a lot more evidence and science to prove why. I don't know, they're smarter than me, so they're gonna say what to do, and I'm gonna say, all right, as long as you have proof and you can show it, which they do, I'll believe them, right? If you're thinking about cheating and using those nasty bacterial stimulants, right? That stuff that makes it where you don't have to pump your tank, those sludge dissolvers, don't do that, right? Those things are gonna cause all sorts of problems. They're big headaches, they're big issues. If you're gonna run and try to save money on pumping, pumping's only a few $100s. I get it, it's expensive, but we all pay, if you're on public, a water bill, you pay a sewer bill. That's also expensive, right? Your septic system is a utility. It needs to be treated like a utility, right? So if you're gonna have a piece of equipment on your property, you wanna make sure you take care of it. So you gotta save a little bit of money to properly pump it, take care of it, do what you gotta do every few years. Now, if you're using those products that dissolve the sludge, you run the risk of having more debris work its way into the absorption system because you're not pumping it enough. I don't recommend those products at all. You should not ever use them. There's more research showing that there are issues with it. I have more live examples of me showing up. I've lived here for X amount of years. Usually it's 20 to 40 years. Never had a problem. I use this brand of product. Never needed a pump. Sure enough, as soon as you open the septic tank, it is completely backed up and completely failed. They had no idea that it was not working correctly because they believe these products. So in summary, the best thing to do, pump your tank. If you're trying to figure out how full your tank is, if you want to do it yourself, you can get a product like a sludge judge, and that will help you figure out how full your tank is. If you don't want to get that kind of gross product in your house, or, well, I guess you could put it in your shed, but if you don't want to have one on your property, right, you go ahead, just set a timer on your phone, do it every 3 years, I'm gonna do it on the first of every odd year in March. All right, whatever, now you know, and you just keep that reminder set, do that every year, and you're never gonna have a problem, all right? Septic systems fail slowly, right? If it fails quickly, something else went wrong. Most commonly, it's gonna be a clog, right? I hope this was useful. I hope we had a good time. Hopefully I taught you something. I'm curious to see what your guys' opinions are. Let me know below. If there's a topic or something that you want me to discuss, I've probably come across it, and if I haven't, I know somebody who has, so I can get some kind of information to help you out with whatever you're going on with, right? If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, hit subscribe. I have more videos posted every day on the world of well and septic. Till next time, guys.